Hi everybody, today we're learning about number splitting. We're going to start with small numbers and build up to larger numbers. Over here, what we use number splitting for sometimes is to make it a little bit easier for us instead of doing a count on or a bridge through 10 or another strategy. So here I know that 4 and 3 make 7, and I know that double 4 is 8. I put my D for my double there. And then my 8 and 3 I can do a quick count on. 8, 9, 10, 11, got my 11. So number splitting with small numbers is sometimes used by children. You might start to notice your child using little symbols we call the secret code to actually articulate the strategies they're using. If they're not doing that, please encourage it. It's very simple. So number splitting, NS, double, D for double, count on, CO. So usually it's the first two letters, the first letter of the words. Let's have a look at the next step up. Number splitting. Once you're working really well with single digit numbers, moving to our tens, where we're applying our place value. Notice that we've got a 10 each time we're splitting. It's not a different number like 22 and 2. We're applying our place value here. You can set up little grids and just make a whole lot of different numbers in here and then play around with it. So 20 is 20 and 4. So, repeat that. 24 is 20 and 4. 37 is 30 and 7. So 56 is 50 and 6. So you choose a number, you pop it in there. Let's say we're going to pick the number 64. 64 is 60 and 4. The important thing here, the learning here, is around the fact that these is not 2, it's not 3, it's not 5, it is actually a 10. It's 2 tens, 2 tens are 20. It's 3 tens, 3 tens are 30, and here we have 5 tens, 5 tens are 50. If your child's calling 56, 5 and 6, then they misunderstand the concept of place value, and you really want to work on what that really means. So lots of these type of activities help them to understand that this number is actually 50 and 6, not 5 and 6. If you've got a 100s grid at home, or you can make one up, you can play with the numbers this way. So you've got 24 is 20 and 4. So I find my 20 and then I count on to my 24. There's my 4 represented, that's my 20. Same with 56, I find my 50, there it is, and then I move along 6 to find my 56. Once you start moving into larger numbers, so if your child is totally confident and you're working well with place value in 2-digit numbers, you are ready to move into expanded notation. It is number splitting as well. The fancy maths term is expanded notation, where we're using our place value knowledge to explain what this is. We're expanding this number out. 326 is actually 320 and 6. Same concept here, just a bigger number. Let's try 509. I've deliberately added one with a 0 in the middle. When first learning, I would focus with numbers that don't have 0 and then move to this. At first, the child might place a 0 in there. 509 is 500 and 0 tens and 9 ones. Yep. And as they get more confident, they'll start to drop that. 509 is 509. Moving into the thousands. Again, once confident with hundreds. Expand a notation for 4,263. 4,263. Yeah. Same here, I've thrown in a 0 as a placeholder. Again, working with numbers that have got no 0 as a placeholder first, then moving into ones with 0 as a placeholder, where we've got 2,000. We don't have to worry about the 0 hundreds here. Going into our 4 tens is 40 and the 7 ones is 7. Make up lots of little problems for yourself wherever you're at, whether it's single digits, 2 digits or larger. and play around with your number splitting and expanded notation to deepen your understanding of place value.